The best results come from following the best practices. Here's how to make the most out of your ActivForce device. First, stability is key to ensuring accurate strength measurements. Keep your device steady by creating leverage that surpasses the muscle being tested. You should have enough room to fully extend your elbows. Keep a step stool nearby in case you need it. When it comes to leverage techniques, you can either use the belt loop and belt plate, securing it to a stationary object, or try the wall technique. Fasten the hand strap, position the device on a body part, and have your patient push against a wall to ensure precise and reliable measurements. For range of motion testing, position the device as distal as possible from the joint under evaluation. Don't cross a second joint, as this can skew your measurements. For example, in shoulder flexion, placing the device at the distal end of the humerus provides a more accurate reading. For range of motion testing, consistency is key. Keep the device in the same plane, sagittal, frontal, or transverse, to maintain accuracy. And make sure to compare results between sides, even if there are slight variations. When strength testing, maintain the same joint angle when testing specific muscle groups. This will give you consistent and comparable results over time. And lastly, make sure you create symmetry and strength between limbs so you can spot any differences and guide your attention where it needs to be. With ActivForce, you can create personalized, objective measurements and tailor your therapy based on your patient's daily activities. It's really a game changer for tracking progress over time. Lightly place a strap device on the patient without excessive pressure. Hold it still until fully calibrated, then allow the patient to move through the motion with the device for accurate readings. For clients with limited elbow or knee extension, use a goniometer to test full extension. With accurate measurements comes optimal management, so follow these guidelines to ensure the best possible experience for your patients.